Okay, so my number keypad is not working. My screensaver's on with the date and time, and normally once I hit enter, this will pop up asking me to type in my PIN. See, here's the screensaver right here, and then I hit enter, and then this pops up. So, and then I'm gonna just type any numbers so y'all can see. Okay, and I'll hit the number lock to see if the numbers will work. Nothing. So I'm gonna try a few different methods right now. The first method I'm gonna try is I'm gonna hit the number lock and I'm gonna hold it for 5 seconds at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it go. I'll try a number. Nothing popped up except for this right here. Hold on, I'm trying not to show something else on the screen. Toggle keys causes a tone to sound when you press the caps lock, number lock, scroll keys. The keyboard shortcut to turn on toggle keys is to hold down the number lock keys for 5 seconds. I can just exit out of that. Okay, and let me see if the number will work. Nothing's popping up. Hit the number lock real quick. Nothing's popping up. So I'm going to hold it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No numbers. I'm typing just any numbers. And I've tried over here too, just in case y'all were wondering, those numbers as well. So I'm gonna try a different method now. So if my screen wasn't locked right now, like where I can't put in my PIN number to get anywhere else, normally you would go to the start button that would be in the left-hand corner of your computer, and then you would go to settings and then ease of access. But thank goodness ease of access is right here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on ease of access, and hopefully I can get to where I need to go from here. Okay, let's see. Narrator off, magnifier on, screen, keyboard. Okay, I gotta put the camera down really quick. I gotta figure out what I'm doing because this looks different. I feel like I want to hit on screen keyboard because if it's gonna let me, let's see. Because I need something else where I can press these numbers to type in. Okay. So let's see if I can type in my password. I'm gonna hold the camera down here. Wait, click in there. Let's see. Oh, shoot. Y'all, you know what? I didn't even know I could do this. We might be finding this out together. Yes. Yes. I just figured that out by myself. This looked different. I was going to say you have to go to ease of access, then click on mouse and everything else. So I don't know why my number keypad is not working, but baby, okay, I got it. Hopefully I can help somebody. I'm going to still show you guys the other options just in case. Just a second. Okay, so pretend like your screen is unlocked and you can see your home screen right here with everything on it. You're going to go down here if you're on Windows. And I'm going to click on that right there, the start button. And then I'm going to go up, not power, but settings. Okay. And then this should load up. And then when settings pops up, you're going to scroll down until you see ease of access. Okay. Now, if it's locked, like my page was, ease of access should already be on your screen. But if it's not locked, this is what you go to, the power, then up to settings, and then click on ease of access. And then over here to the left, you're going to scroll down. Now, don't get what I'm about to tell you confused with this one. That says mouse pointer. We're not going to click on mouse pointer. Just scroll down. You should find it. And then we're going to click on mouse. Okay? Click on mouse. And then when you click on mouse, if this right here is turned on, you're going to turn it off. Mine is already off, so I don't need to do anything. But if it's on, you're going to turn it off and then go back to see if your numbers start working. Okay, so that's one option right there. So I'm gonna show you guys one more option. And for everyone who don't know, I built my own computer when I was a teenager, and I still have it. I may dust it off and pull it out one day and show you guys, but I still have that computer. If you guys remember how the big box computer was with the big modem things and all of that, I built it piece by piece, wire by wire, screw by screw. Okay, so if I don't know anything, I know a lot about computers. Not everything. I still learn new things every single day. But I'm going to show you a different method if your number keypad isn't working. And I'm making this video because I literally came home and my number keypad wasn't working. So anytime something happens, I say, let me record and we're going to go through this together. So if I mess up, I'm not going to edit it and delete it. I'm going to show you guys how I'm messing up. So I'm going to go down here to the power button. And instead of going to settings like I did last time, I'm not going to click on settings. I'm going to go right here where you see everything right here. And I'm going to scroll down where you see calculator, games, all that stuff. I'm going to keep scrolling down. It may be further up for you. It may be further down for you. It may be in the same spot as mine. So I'm going to scroll down until I see Windows Ease of Access, okay? And I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on screen keyboard, I believe. Let me click on it and see what pops up. Okay, so this keyboard popped up. Y'all remember this popped up when I went to Ease of Access down here when my screen was locked and I couldn't get through it. Okay, so let me play with this for a minute. Again, I told you I'm not going to edit anything. Let me go to options. Okay, here we go. I clicked on options right here on the keypad with my mouse, because remember, pretend like your numbers aren't working on your keypad, okay? So I'm going to click on options, and then this should pop up. And then when this pops up, use click sound, show keys to make it easier to move around the screen. Turn on numeric keypad. That's what I'm going to click on, okay? Turn on numeric keypad. All right? Not sure why it's off, but that's what I'm going to turn on. So I'm going to see if this works now. So after you click on turn on numeric keypad, you're going to click OK. And I'm going to exit out of this. And let's see. Let's just go down here. See where the search here is? I'm going to click in that box. And of course, all this pop up. But I'm going to press a number. 555. And it works. I'm going to hit these numbers too. Oh, no, I don't like that double number. Hold on. I don't even want y'all to see that. Okay, 222. And it works. Yay! Okay, and you see this computer is so old right here. I have other laptops. Y'all, if y'all been rocking with me for a while, y'all know my old man bought me one for Valentine's Day a few years ago. I got another one, but it's like when I know this one and everything's on here, and I just like this one, and it's literally falling apart. It is so old. Y'all can see, look at the mouse. My daughter asked me, she was like, ew, what is that? It's just from using the mouse all the time. It's not dirt. It's just rubbing the paint off, constantly using the mouse. There was something else I actually wanted to show you guys. Hold on. I'm going to go down here to power, and I'm going to go to settings. And wait for that to pop up. And then I'm going to go back to ease of access. Just speaking of mouse, I just thought about this. Then I'm going to scroll down, go to mouse right here. And then, hold on, where do you go? Where do you go? Change other mouse options. And you can change your cursor speed, and you can select if you want your mouse, the primary button, to be left or right. So, you know, like right here, how we use the left one all the time as the clicker, you can change it to the right if you want to as well. All right. Lately I've been making videos showing you guys how to do different stuff on your iPhones and how to do it on your Androids, and now I'm showing you this on the computer. So anytime I have issues, I'm going to record it. All right, and hopefully this helped somebody. Hope y'all are having a great morning, afternoon, or evening whenever you're watching this video. Right now it's Sunday, no, it's Saturday, October 7th for me, 10:18 p.m. 2023. So hopefully you guys are having a great day. All right, love you all. If I helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, comment A, B, C, or D. Just leave a comment, okay? That helps with the algorithm. Love y'all so much. Toodles.